Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, dumating na ang aming in-order na dining table sa IKEA today. So, karating lang. They just arrived. So, nandito na sila. Nandito na sa loob ng bahay ang aming bagong dining table sa IKEA. Yes. Maganda yung kulay niya. Naka-sale siya. Kaya, kinuha na namin. Kasi yung regular price niya ay mahal. So, nakamura kami dito sa aming dining table. Yung luma naming dining table na IKEA, ipamimigay namin sa seminary family. Ayun. So, ito na guys. What do you think, love?
Good.
Good. So, i-arrange namin yung table namin, yung dining area namin, guys. So, ito na guys, ang aming bagong dining table. Kasi yung dining table namin na maliit sa IKEA, very small. So, this is a pretty good size. Now, we can invite friends to come over to have dinner with us because we have more space now in our dining area. Uy, sana magkasya yung table namin. So, I have 4 chairs here. Ayan. So, yun na guys. Alright guys, ito na yung dining table namin na bago. Kasya naman pala sa dining area namin. Look at that. It's more room now than before. Di ba lang? We can put a lot of food here now. We have a lot of space. Kasi yung dati naming table na maliit lang siya. We can't, yung food hindi magkasya sa loob ng dining. Now it's bigger, wider, and we can invite more people. There you go. And I'm gonna decorate here. I'm gonna put my other stuff here. So actually guys, we moved our coffee bar used to be here. So we moved that's the other side. So ito yung coffee bar namin and our shelvings space. Yun na siya guys. So that's it guys for today's video. Say hello love. We're gonna have dinner because it's late. Hindi pa kami nag-dinner. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.